Okay, let's talk about gas for a minute. Every second counts. You smell gas in your house, you need to shut it off. This is the signage that goes at your gas meter. Okay, this is typical. They all look the same. There is a pipe that comes up out of the ground. There's a valve right there. We have our patented wrench that fits on that. Now, when that slot, like it shows on this signage right here, when that slot is going with the pipe, parallel, the gas can go through. When you turn that a quarter of a turn, so it's this way and perpendicular, the gas is off. Now, what you need to understand is you hear a caution. If you smell gas, shut it off. But do not turn it back on yourself. You need a professional to do that to make sure everything is safe. There's no leaks in your house. So you stay safe, you become a home saver, and you are glad that you did.